Good morning, students. Welcome back to our economics class. Today, we are going to learn a new topic in demand, that is, movement and shift in demand. So, let's start our class.
Movement and shift in demand may be caused by either change in price of the commodity or change in other factors. A change in price can lead to a movement along the demand curve and may result in expansion and contraction of demand. A change in any other factor can cause a shift in demand curve and may result in increase and decrease in demand. We will now learn these two concepts more in detail. First, we will learn about expansion and contraction of demand. That means movement along the demand curve due to change in price. Expansion of demand means downward movement along the demand curve. Contraction of demand means upward movement along the demand curve. Let's see how movements along the demand curve takes place. Other things remaining same, any change in price leads to a movement along the demand curve. First, let us draw the demand curve in XY plane. We measure quantity along x-axis and price along y-axis. Then draw the demand curve D. Suppose the initial price is P and the consumer is buying Q quantity of goods at this price. Now, if price increases to P1, it will cause an upward movement along the demand curve by the consumer, and the consumer's demand for the commodity will fall to Q1. This is known as contraction of demand. Now, if the price falls to P2, it will cause a downward movement along the demand curve by the consumer, and the consumer's demand for the commodity will rise to Q2. This is known as expansion of demand. Let us now learn about the increase and decrease in demand. That means shift in demand curve caused by other factor than price. Increase in demand means rightward shift of demand curve. It can be caused by increase in consumers' income, increase in price of substitutes, decrease in the price of complements, or increase in the taste and preference towards that commodity. Decrease in demand means leftward shift of demand curve. It can be caused by decrease in consumers' income, decrease in price of substitutes, increase in the price of complements, decrease in the taste of consumer towards that commodity. Let's now see how shift of demand curve takes place. Except price, changes in any other factors leads to shift in demand curve. Let us consider effect of an increase in consumers' income on demand curve. Suppose the initial demand curve is D1. The consumer is buying Q1 quantity of goods at this price P. Keeping the price constant, an increase in consumers' income will lead to a rightward shift of demand curve from D1 to D2. Now the consumer can buy Q2 quantity of goods at the same price P. This indicates an increase in demand. Now we will see how leftward shift of demand curve takes place. For this, let us consider effect of a decrease in consumers' income. Suppose the initial demand curve is D1, the consumer is buying Q1 quantity of good at price P. Keeping the price constant, a decrease in consumers' income will lead to a leftward shift of demand curve from D1 to D2. Now the consumer will buy Q2 quantity of goods at the same price P. This indicates a decrease in demand.